Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to use circle to search in any Samsung phone. If you're using a latest model of your Samsung and now you want to use Google circle to search on your phone, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to keep a long press on this navigation home button. Once you have that, you will get to this type Google screen. Just circle anything which you want to search on your screen. So let's say I'm going to search for this one. Just circle that area and it will automatically detect that. So here you'll get different results from Google. So now I'm going to search anything from my gallery. Just open your gallery, then select the photo or the video on which you want to search, and I'm going to search on this. Just keep a long press on your home button, and here just circle the area which you want to search for. And I'm going to search for this one. Just circle that area, so it will automatically detect that. Now you will can easily get an AI overview here or simply different searches from here. So that's how you can easily use circle to search in any Samsung phone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.